Hello friends, welcome to the Machine Learning Web Applications Advanced class. In this class, we'll take advanced machine learning concepts and turn them into full-fledged web applications. This is one of the most important skills in data science today because you are truly taking your machine learning skills, models, intelligence, and making it actionable to the entire world. Basically, anybody with an internet connection can access your research. They don't have to know statistics, Jupyter, Python, TensorFlow, Tableau. They don't care about these things. What they care about is getting to the intelligence, your model, to answer their questions. And this class is going to teach you that skill. I think it's one of the most important skills you can have as a data scientist today because it's the least taught skill. Everybody knows how to make machine learning models, linear regressions, these kind of things, but very few know how to transform that and put it into your customers' hands, into the entire world's hands, so that they can enjoy the work. So this will be a huge career boost to you, I promise you, because it's a skill that's just not taught in data science today. It will change one day, but right now it's to your advantage. That's going to give you a huge leg over the competition. So in this class, we're going to explore 4 case studies, 3 with complex UIs, and the last one will be a REST API, another very important concept and tool to share your intelligence to the world. So please join me for this class. I think it's a very important class and a critical skill that every data scientist should have today.